There are several ways you can use language models like ChatGPT to earn passive income, including content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate articles, blog posts, and other forms of digital content, which you can sell or license to others. Chatbot development. You can build and sell custom chatbots powered by ChatGPT for businesses and organizations looking to improve customer engagement and support. Marketing automation. ChatGPT can be integrated into marketing campaigns to automate certain tasks and improve engagement with customers and prospects. Virtual writing assistant. ChatGPT can be used as a virtual writing assistant to help people with writing tasks such as composing emails, reports, and other documents. Data analysis and insights. ChatGPT can be used to analyze large datasets and provide insights for businesses and organizations looking to make data-driven decisions. Translation and language services. ChatGPT can be used to provide language translation and other language-related services to businesses and individuals. Virtual tutoring and coaching. You can use ChatGPT to provide virtual tutoring and coaching services to students and individuals looking to improve their skills and knowledge. By leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT and other language models, you can generate a passive income stream while helping others solve problems and achieve their goals.